Hey everyone, this is Sarah Thummel, and if you saw my last video in my team page and tried to do what I showed you to do on getting the classic version of Facebook back, I want you to actually undo what I told you to do because there's a much easier way to do it. So to undo what I told you how to do, you go to your extensions at the top here once you're in Chrome, click extensions, go to manage extension, and then find the extension that I told you to add, which it's no longer in mine, but once you find that, that agent string that I had you add, click remove and then refresh, okay? And then once you have done that, I need you to open a new browser and type in oldlayout.com, okay? We're gonna go to oldlayout.com. You're going to click install from Google, and we are going to add that extension to our Chrome. Add extension. It gives us information here. I'll talk with you about this here in just a moment, but up here you're going to click on extensions and you're going to pin the old layout for Facebook here so that it shows up in your extension screen, in your extension window. So it's this arrow to the left is what we're talking about. Okay, so now if I click on that extension, and okay, let's right click, manage extensions. I'm sorry, let's go to manage extensions. And then we are going to make sure that this old layout for Facebook, let's disable it and then enable it again. Okay. And then all we have to do is click refresh. We go back to Facebook and refresh. And there is our old version of Facebook, the classic version that we all love. Now, with this particular extension, you may get a note that pops up in the right corner that looks like, let's see here, where's it at? This box here. You may have it pop up. If it does that, just click the switch to old layout because this is for 48 hours. So every couple of days, it will pop up in the right side of your screen. You'll click switch to old layout. As long as this extension is active, and you can check that by going to your extension, which it looks like the puzzle piece, click manage extensions and make sure that it is active here, okay? So that's awesome. We are back to the old Facebook. Now let me show you one more trick. It is called Down Album. And I already have it in my extensions, but I want to show you this. So make sure, again, that you're in Chrome. Google Down Album. It's an extension. If you did not yet have this on your computer, actually, I guess I took mine off. Maybe I made it inactive. Let's see here. Manage extensions. No, I've got mine. Okay, we'll add to Chrome. Add the extension. It's been added to Chrome. Okay, so with the Down Album, I'm going to click on my puzzle piece and I'm going to pin that. So I'm not sure why it's showing twice, to be honest, but we have the Down Album extension now, and check out and see what this does. So I've got a ton of these open, so we're not gonna, here, let's just close out a couple of these. I've got so many things open right now. Okay, let's go to my Facebook. I'm going to hit refresh, so that goes to the classic version. Yay! Woohoo! Now I'm going to go to one of our graphics groups we all know about. How about my Bag Addiction graphics? Now let's say we want to get a whole photo album downloaded to our computer. This is how you would do it. You go to their photos, albums, and let's just do this first one here. I think this is like their November banners and graphics. So now we're in the album and you see the Down Album extension up here, which I have it in here twice because I showed you how to add it. But all you're going to do is click Down Album. Once you are in the photo album, click normal. Okay, and it's going to start downloading all of these images, which you're not going to need all of them. Some of us are US, some of us are Canada, so you're not going to need every single image that's in here. But we're going to hit Control S. Since I'm on, it says Mac, you do Command S, but I'm not on a Mac. I'm on a PC. So Control S to save these. And then I am going to go to my 2020 fall folder, my November, And I am going to save this. Let me move that. November Banners and Graphics is what it's called. So I'm going to click Save. And it has done it. How cool is that? So if I now go to my files, if I go to my folder where I just saved that, let's see here, 2020 fall, and then I have a November. Here's my November Banners and Graphics files that I just downloaded all at once. Yay! Using the Down Album extension for Chrome. So there you have it. I hope that has been helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions. But the first step is making sure you're back to the classic Facebook user interface, because the new version of Facebook will not allow for the Down Album extension. So I hope this makes your life easier, and ask any questions you have. I'm happy to help you, and have a great day. All right. Bye-bye. Whoops, it won't let me go out. All right, bye-bye.